I miss you!
Okay? Anong mas nakakatakot? Paano nang kalaban na mag-goals?
Mag-goals po.
Sakit pa rin. Mag-goals ko, hindi pansinin ni Brad.
Papagalitan ni Coach!
Match point o galong point?
Match point! Match point, no!
Flowers o chocolate?
Flowers! Wala na po kaming flowers!
Fire o black?
Black! Black, akin sa'yo. Both. Both.
Spike o receive?
Receive. Receive. Receive sa akin.
Training day o movie day?
Training day!
Training day o movie day?
Movie day. Training.
Perfect set o perfect day?
Perfect set!
Service days o I miss you message?
I miss you!
Pinaka-crush na artista?
Si Piolo Pascual sa'yo.
Oh, si Piolo. Alden Richard.
Complete na sentence. Ang gusto ko ngayong Valentine's Day ay
Mabigyan ng bulaklak!
Ikaw. Mabigyan ng kadate. Mabigyan ng bulaklak din.
Happy Valentine's